Ever wondered what a digital media agency does? Picture a bustling hive of creative and technical talent, all working in harmony to navigate the digital landscape. These digital media agencies are the wizards behind the curtain, spinning webs of interactivity, engagement, and visibility. They offer a myriad of services, from the artistry of web design, the rhythm of social media management, the science of search engine optimization, to the craft of content creation, and the strategy of online advertising. They're not just about making things look pretty, they're about making things work. They're about unlocking doors to new audiences, fostering meaningful connections, and creating digital experiences that resonate. So, when you're scrolling through a beautifully designed website or engaging with a brand on social media, remember the digital media agency working tirelessly behind the scenes. In essence, digital media agencies are creative hubs that help businesses connect with their audiences in the digital space. Let's examine a real-life example of a digital media agency's impact. In the heart of the Big Apple resides Company X, a local boutique with a big vision. They yearn to make their mark in the digital world, but their outdated website was holding them back. That's when they enlisted the help of ABC Digital Agency, a top New York web design agency known for its innovative solutions and creative prowess. ABC Digital Agency took on the challenge with enthusiasm, diving headfirst into the world of Company X. They studied the boutique's unique ethos, its target audience, and the competitive landscape. They knew a mere facelift wouldn't cut it. Company X needed a complete digital overhaul. The web design wizards at ABC Digital Agency got to work crafting a digital platform that was not only visually engaging but also user-friendly. They prioritized intuitive navigation, compelling imagery, and clear calls to action. But they didn't stop there. They knew a good-looking website was only half the battle won. Enter search engine optimization. ABC Digital Agency understood the importance of making the website easily discoverable to potential customers. They meticulously optimized the site's content and structure for search engines, ensuring it ranked high for relevant keywords. The result? A website that wasn't just aesthetically pleasing, but also a powerful tool for driving organic traffic. And as more and more people discovered Company X through their searches, the boutique's sales started to soar. This transformation illustrates the multifaceted role of a digital media agency. ABC Digital Agency didn't just design a website, they created a comprehensive digital strategy that positioned Company X for online success. They took a holistic approach, understanding that every element of the digital sphere is interconnected. As a result of ABC Digital Agency's efforts, Company X experienced increased organic traffic and sales. But more than that, they now have a robust digital presence that truly reflects their brand and resonates with their audience. And this, dear listeners, is the power of a digital media agency at work. Now let's hear from the expert himself, the CEO of ABC Digital Agency. In the bustling world of digital media, it's the visionaries who stand out, those who not only adapt to the changing landscape but also shape it. One such visionary is the CEO of ABC Digital Agency, a leading web design agency in New York. When you think about digital media, the CEO begins, it's not just about creating a website or running an ad campaign, it's about understanding the pulse of the digital world, the trends, the technologies, and the ever-evolving expectations of the users. At ABC Digital Agency, they do just that. They don't just keep pace with the digital world, they stay one step ahead. Our mission, the CEO shares, is to empower businesses. We equip them with the tools and strategies they need to not just survive, but thrive in this digital age. The approach of ABC Digital Agency is rooted in innovation and creativity. They believe in crafting unique digital experiences that resonate with the target audience, experiences that are engaging, intuitive, and impactful. Each business is unique, the CEO explains, and so should be their digital presence. We ensure that our clients' digital persona reflects their brand ethos and connects with their audience on a deeper level. It's not just about creating a digital presence, it's about sustaining it. In the dynamic digital market, staying relevant is as important as being visible. We help our clients stay competitive, the CEO shares. We constantly monitor the digital landscape, identify emerging trends, and incorporate them into our strategies. This proactive approach ensures our clients are always at the forefront of their industry. The CEO's passion for digital media is evident as he talks about the transformative power of digital platforms. Digital media is not just a platform, it's a catalyst for change, he asserts. It has the power to reshape businesses, redefine industries, and revolutionize the way we interact with the world. In the words of ABC Digital Agency's CEO, their goal is to empower businesses with the tools and strategies they need to thrive in the digital age. Considering partnering with a digital media agency, here are some key factors to consider. The digital world is vast and complex, and to navigate it successfully, you need a competent guide. That's where a digital media agency comes in. But not all agencies are created equal. Here are some tips to help you select the right one. Firstly, expertise and experience matter. Look for an agency with a proven track record of success in your industry. They should be able to demonstrate their knowledge and accomplishments through case studies and client testimonials. An agency that has successfully handled projects similar to yours will likely be a good fit. Secondly, creativity and innovation are crucial. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, you need an agency that thinks outside the box. They should be able to offer fresh perspectives and innovative solutions to help your brand stand out. Thirdly, communication and collaboration are key. A successful digital campaign requires a deep understanding of your brand's identity, goals, and audience. This can only be achieved through open and consistent communication. Choose an agency that values your input and makes you feel part of the process. Lastly, consider the agency's approach to ongoing learning and development. The world of digital media is constantly changing. Your chosen agency should demonstrate a commitment to staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies. In conclusion, choosing the right digital media agency is a critical decision that can significantly impact your brand's online presence and performance. Keep these factors in mind to ensure you choose the right digital media agency for your needs. Remember, the goal is to find an agency that aligns with your brand's values and objectives and can effectively translate your vision into a compelling digital experience. As always, it's about finding the right fit for you and your business. So take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, in the world of digital media, the right agency can make all the difference. In conclusion, digital media agencies play a pivotal role in today's digital landscape. They are the creative powerhouses that help businesses navigate the complex world of online platforms. By leveraging their technical expertise and creative prowess, these agencies create engaging digital experiences that resonate with audiences and drive meaningful engagement. Whether it's a stunning website design, a compelling social media campaign, or a robust SEO strategy, digital media agencies use a variety of tactics to help brands shine in the digital realm. They empower businesses to reach their target audiences effectively, transforming mere online visitors into loyal customers. With the right agency by your side, you can harness the power of digital platforms to elevate your brand and achieve your business goals. So don't underestimate the transformative impact of a top-notch digital media agency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of digital media. Until next time, stay connected.